There's operator John Sloyer dropping a log, or a first log vein, here at the Ninja's property. This side is the Pine Creek side. It's our first structure. He actually made a cradle with 2 logs, and he's about to set the 3rd log into the cradle. Jesse Putnam, Mark Pencil are on the bank getting ready with the pin driver. Pin everything to the other logs, pin everything down into the bed.
Down by the old mill stream, where I first met you, with your eyes of blue, dressed in gay unto, it was there I knew that you loved me true. You were 16, my village queen.
Here we are at Elk Creek, and it's a Habitat Forever crew. We got John Sloyer in the machine, Jesse Putnam, crew leader. Both those guys are crew leaders, and Mark Pencil. And right now they're building a log vein. A log vein will help provide a pool below, provide fish habitat. They'll also help protect this bank. We got about 1,000 feet of stream here that the Habitat Forever crew is working on. Some of the structures include log veins, rock veins, and mudsills. So this is a typical day for the Central Pennsylvania Habitat Forever crew. There's John Sloyer drilling a hole for a 5-footer. Mark Pencil's got the rebar. There goes Jesse with the whacker. They're going to pin the log to the bed. Notice John's using the crisscross method. Mark's going to start it. John's drilling another hole. Firing up the whacker. Comes John ready to drill another hole. There we go. Your Central Pennsylvania Habitat Forever crew at work. Like a well-oiled machine.
Down by the old mill stream, where I first met you, with your eyes of blue, dressed in gay unto, it was there I knew that you loved